Hello everyone, waiting at the Avalon airport for a plane to come in, which is going to be an hour late. And I put my seat back to find a comfortable position so I could watch some videos. And I was trying to find some places to put my phone. Like I can hold it here or turn the phone that way and I can put it there. And then, I don't know, I was looking around the car. I thought, oh yeah, I could put it up there. And then I noticed this bit here on my seat belt. I thought, oh, I wonder if it'll stick up there. And then I pressed this. I thought, why does that move? And I did not know that happened. The other side does it. The other passenger side does it. And I've been driving me nuts that the seatbelt has been digging into me when I've been driving. It keeps on like kind of cutting into me and that. Have it down there, it doesn't do it as much. You have the car for over a year and you still find things that it does. And the other thing I found out that comes in real handy is this, you put the car in, leave it in drive, put it in the handbrake on, electric handbrake on, then you just press the accelerator and you don't need to take the handbrake off. I only found that out about a month or two ago. It's so good. So yeah, do you ever find things about your car that you never knew until later on? Oh, and by the way, put in that code, Michael 106623, or scan that and you will get $20 in ride vouchers from DD if you're new to DD. So yeah, Michael 106623. Use that code to sign up to DD and you get $20 worth of vouchers. Okay, bye peoples.